Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Spookly the Square Pumpkin. Now, to start off with this, we're going to draw the sides of his body. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a nice line that's going to go up, kind of at an angle. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up a little bit at an angle. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down like this. Next, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to curve down again. So we're going to go up, we're going to come around, and then come down like this. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down. So we're just going to go up and down like this. And then I'm going to do this one more time. Now what I want to do is I want to take this line and bring it down, and I want to go in just a little bit. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to come in just a little bit. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. So we're just going to kind of curve this down and then bring it up. I want to do another one right here. So we're going to go down and up. One more here. We're going to go down and then bring it up. And then this next one, I want to go down and I want to bring it right to here. So we're just going to curve this right to there. Now, I want to make a line that's just going to start here, and it's just going to curve down and then come down like this. So we're just going to go down and then curve like this. I'll make another one right here. And then one more, and then I'm going to bring this down. Right here, we'll draw a little line that goes up, and then one right here that connects it, so we can kind of have the shape of Spookly. Now, starting up here, I want to draw his stem. The first thing we're going to do is just make a little line that's going to curve up, and it's going to come right to here. So we're going to go to here. Then I want to do the same thing on this side. So we'll just go right to there, leaving a little space in between. Now, starting here, just want to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to curve down to here. And I want to draw another one doing the same thing. I'm going to start here. We're going to curve up, and I'm going to get a little bit smaller as I come right to there. Now, right in here, we want to draw the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little curved line like this, and then another little curved line right here. Make this one a little bigger. So right here, we're going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to curve down. So I'm just going to curve up and bring it down, kind of like an oval shape. And then I want to do the same thing over here. I'm going to make that oval shape. It's just going to come up and then come down like this. I want to draw a little oval shape right in here, and then one right in here like this. And then just add a little small circle at the top and color it in. Now for the mouth, we're going to start here. Just draw a little line that goes across. And another little smiley face that goes down and up. I'll add a little sad face in here for the tongue. And I'm going to color this part in real quick. I'm going to add a little tiny chin right here. So a little smiley face. And then I want to give him some eyebrows. So I'll just draw a little line like this. And then I'll do the exact same thing over here, just go in the other direction. Now right here, I want to add the leaf. So To draw the leaf, all you're going to do is make a little line that curves up and down. So we're going to go up and then bring it down. We'll do another bump right here, a little bit bigger. I'll put one more right here and a little small one right here. You want to draw a little line that comes down to here, and then one that goes here and another here, just for some little details. And there you go. There is your drawing of Spookly the Square Pumpkin. Please make sure to keep checking out the videos. We have lots of fun Halloween videos coming out, so hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.